pang legit po tayo guys. BDO na credit card. Not to flex tulad sa sinasabi ng iba, but to encourage you guys kung may opportunity, bitawan na yung OLA. At least yung mga loan apps na sakit sa ulo. Credit card mas powerful po. Maraming perks. Huwag nyo siyang i-treat as OLA guys ha. Kasi iba yung credit card. Na-share ko dito sa channel kung paano ako nagkaroon ng gold na credit card from BDO. After a few weeks, a few months, na-realize ko na okay pala yung credit card na to. Not to mention na meron siyang, yung first year niya is free yung membership. Kat kasi si BDO and it's widely accepted. Share ko rin dito mamaya kung paano kayo magkaroon, paano kayo mag-apply. You can do this online. If you're interested, keep watching. Here, the original Utang Queen. And in this channel, pinag-uusapan po natin yung online loan platforms. But because isama na rin natin yung credit card na topic sa channel na to. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification button para hindi kayo mahuli, especially kung yung mga vlog ko ay yung mga legit na mga online loan platform. You can use that credit card para ma-check out niyo yung mga items na bibilhin nyo. Hindi siya OLA na utang here and there or utang and then forget it. But a credit card is an extension of your wallet. When it comes to convenience, isa na doon yung pag-check out easily sa mga online shopping apps dyan tulad ni Shopee. I-share ko lang ha na I'm currently wearing a lipstick from L'Oreal. Ito po siya. That's the shade. And kung bet nyo, maraming mga colors sa pagpipili and bet this particular shade, meron po tayong product link dito para di na kayo mapunta kung saan-saan, diretso na sa Shopee. If you're interested, check out nyo lang doon. Because dito wala po tayong pinopromote na OLA, wala tayong OLA link. Sidetrack tayo pero yung topic natin is yung CBDO na credit card. I-share ko sa inyo kung paano mag-apply online, ano yung kailangan, ano yung requirements, what to expect. Isipan ko mag-topic about BDO credit card because just a couple days ago or a week ago, nakatanggap po ako ng notification sa kanya na pwede ko raw i-convert yung previous kong transaction into installment. Yes, you can do that. It's always a good practice na kapag nag-swipe ka or nagkaskas ka, you pay it in full when naging due siya. If palagi kang minimum, whatever is natitira, magkakaroon po yan ng additional interest and it's gonna have a domino effect and before you know it, wala na. Baka mahirapan ka na sa pagbayad. Kaya it's always good to pay your credit card dues in full. Pero, in case na medyo alanganin ng konti, this credit card, meron ka pong ability na i-convert yung previous purchase mo into installment. And promo siya. And depending on the promo, sometimes yung add-on rate niya lang becomes 0.49%. It becomes 0.69 or whatsoever. But right now, from November 1 to November 30, 0.49% po yung monthly add-on rate niya. This actually reminds me of what Belize is doing right now, which is also a legit online loan platform. Buy now, pay later, 0% interest up to your next payday. Or kung medyo alanganin within the app, the Belize app, you can also convert that purchase into installments. Na napaka-flexible, you choose the terms na gusto mo, that you're comfortable with. Ganon din yung ganitong idea. Only that, super baba po talaga ng interest dito. So yung offer ni BDO sa akin, 0.49% yung monthly add-on. Hindi yan 49%. Baba guys, super baba. Monthly add-on rate. So say for example, magsa 3 months ako, yung babayaran ko na lang is 8,861.73 per month. So, how does BDO arrive to this computation? Nasa website niya po, nakadetalye kung paano niya kinocompute. Kasi importante po sa atin na yung mga loan facilities, yung mga utang facilities ay transparent. So, with this 0.49% na interest, annual effective interest rate is nasa 8.80. And therefore, yung kanyang factor is becomes 0.33 something. That's how it arrives sa 8,861 per month na babayaran if you're going to go with the 3 months term. The longer the term is, mababa yung monthly mo. If you add it up, malaki rin yung napupunta sa interest ha. So choose your terms wisely. And ito po yung kanyang yung kanyang amortization table or yung kanyang computation for your reference. You choose the term that's most comfortable sa inyo. Meron po siyang code na ipapagamit sa iyo para ma-convert. Expect na meron siyang 100 pesos na fee for approved installments. Regardless, guys, it is still far much better than playing talaga, than using online loan apps. Okay, mag-alala guys, if ever hindi pa kayo qualified na magkaroon ng credit card, meron naman ways para eventually magkaroon kayo ng stepping stone sa pagkakaroon ng credit card. Well, I've discussed these things in previous videos, tulad ng pagkakaroon ng secured credit card. Or you can also use legit loan platforms that help boost your credit score para eventually maging qualified ka sa mga credit cards. In my previous vlog guys, na-detail ko kung paano ako nagkaroon ng gold na credit card, free membership on your first year, 10 million free family travel insurance, buy now pay later with 0% deals in over 25,000 in-store and online partners nationwide. Bongga guys, wala yan sa Ola. Meron din siyang mga other deals like mga 50% off sa mga partner merchants niya, like hotels, yung mga stuff like that. You can apply for this credit card online, but you need to be at least 21 years old para mag-apply, and max 60 years old para maging principal card holder. For supplementary card holders, 13 years old pwede na. Then applicant must be a Filipino or a foreigner who is a resident of the Philippines with a minimum gross fixed monthly income of 33,000 pesos. Mga documents na hingin niya are also pretty much basic. If Filipino residents, kailangan mo of course ng valid ID. Kasama sa mga valid IDs na tinatanggap niya, for example, is your PhilSys, passport, driver's license, SSS, yung ganon. And then for foreigners naman, ganito po yung kanyang mga requirements. Now, you also need a proof of income, di ba? Kasi sinabi niya kanina na your income must be at least 33,000 pesos. So, you need to be able to present a photocopy of your ITR. Mga full month payslip, yung like that. Ito po yung list niya. Now, for self-employed applicants, kailangan din yung mga ITR, a photocopy of registrations ng business, business documents mo, and at least 3 months last 3 months na bank statement. Yung part of the process is magsasabit ka ng application. Dapat kumpleto, okay? To improve your chances of getting approved, dapat kumpleto. Dapat original po yung sinasabit nating mga proof of income or mga documents. Wait for approval. Expect na sometimes, there are times na 1 week lang, alam mo na yung status ng application mo. Sometimes it could take up to 3 weeks. So, depende po yan sa system. And then, card delivery, usually give it 10 business days. Which means do not count holidays, do not count weekends, and do not count days na kung saan walang operation yung bangko. Then once you get your card, you can activate it through the app. But that's the standard way of applying for a credit card with BDO. Now, na-mention ko kanina yung pagkakaroon ng secured credit card because it's for those na medyo alanganin pa yung credit score, alanganin yung credit history, or may bad credit history ka. I'm not saying it's mandatory, but it's good to start with, having a deposit sa bank na to. Because if you have a deposit sa bank na to at medyo matagal na siya, there are times na si bank na mismo yung mag-o-offer sa'yo. Tulad sa yung sa akin. I opened the deposit account with BDO. Meron ka kasing chine-check dyan na i-endorse ka niya for credit card, evaluation. For a certain period na nakita ni banko na eligible ka pala, si bank na mismo yung nako-contact sa'yo. So, did not expect na magkakaroon ako ng offer, but they sent me an email, and that's how I got my credit card with BDO. For the full details, you can go to that vlog, or you can also apply for a secured credit card with BDO, and it involves having a security deposit. It's a deposit na hindi mo yan magagalaw, okay? And they will give you a credit card that has, I believe, equivalent to 85% ng security deposit mo yung magiging credit limit mo. But think of this as tulad ng Maya Black Express na kung yung kailangan mo mag-deposit ng 20,000 pesos para sa credit limit na 16,000. Pero don't worry, your deposit earns interest. Experience with the secured credit card is this. That was with Metrobank, and that was kasi dati akong palaging reject sa mga credit card guys, kaya nag-secured credit card ako kay Metrobank. And if you wanna check that story out, sa description box po yung link, because having a secured credit card is not always that bad. Keep an open mind guys, at kung lagi kang reject sa credit card, huwag kayong mawala ng pag-asa because eventually magkakaroon din yan. It took me years bago ako magkaroon ng ganitong privilege. Again, having this is a privilege, it is not a right. This channel is dedicated for financial literacy. Dito sinishare ko sa inyo kung saan ako nagsimula, paano ako nagkaroon, and the things I do. I'm not an expert. I'm not a lawyer. I am just someone na nagre-rely din sa mga utang facilities in order for me to achieve my personal goals. So yun lang guys for today's video. I hope you learned something. If meron ako nakalimutan, please comment below, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye!